What if I told you that you could earn money while you're sleeping? Thanks to artificial intelligence. No team, no startup costs, no face on camera, just smart tools doing the work for you. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that you can use right now to start building passive income, even if you're starting from scratch. And make sure you watch until the end, because the third tool is by far the easiest and most profitable one. The first tool is called Affiliate GPT. This AI helps you create affiliate content, blogs, videos, and product reviews that are SEO optimized and ready to publish. You connect it with affiliate networks like Amazon or ClickBank, and it generates full marketing funnels in minutes. How you make money? You share the content, people click, and you earn commissions. People are making hundreds of dollars per month with just a few posts. Best for beginners who want to start earning without showing their face. Next up is Pictory AI, a game changer for faceless YouTube automation. You upload a script, and Pictory will create an entire video for you. Voiceover, stock footage, text overlays, and music, all AI generated. You can create videos like Top 5 Gadgets, AI Tools of the Week, or product reviews, and earn from YouTube ads plus affiliate links. Some channels are pulling in thousands of views daily without recording a single second of footage. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to write scripts fast and add affiliate products in the description to boost earnings. And now the easiest one with the highest profit potential, Notion AI templates. You use AI to build customizable productivity templates, like habit trackers, journaling systems, or goal planners, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. You earn money every time someone downloads your template, 24/7, no shipping, no customer support. Example: an AI-generated content calendar or fitness tracker sold for $10 to $20 can bring in over $1,000 per month with the right audience. This is one of the lowest effort, highest return passive income ideas out there right now. So there you have it. Affiliate GPT for hands-off content marketing, Pictory AI for faceless YouTube income, and Notion AI for selling digital products with zero inventory. Which one will you try first? If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I drop daily AI money hacks here on AI Hustle. And if you want a deep dive tutorial on any of these tools, drop a comment below. I reply to everyone.